Scott from SmartKits Australia, and having another look at our amazing photo competition right now. And as you guys know, if you've been following our videos and updates on our social media, we are currently running one of the most amazing competitions in the industry. We have 45 structures on our Facebook timeline that have been built by our customers, and we've asked our customers to send in those pictures with some descriptions about about the process and how the project went for them. And we've listed them on our Facebook timeline, number 1 to 45. So we have 45 entries in our Facebook photo competition. And what we're asking you to do is to go into our timeline and scroll through those 45 structures and vote for the ones that you like the most. And voting is really, really simple. All you have to do is hit the like button on the structures you like. So what we've done is we've given you the opportunity to vote on all 45 or just vote on one. And the structure that gets the most amount of likes by the 30th of June is going to win this competition, and they're going to win $1,000 on a prepaid Visa card. We also have 2 second prizes of $250 prepaid Visa cards, and we have 10 $100 BWS vouchers for third place to give away. So 13 prizes out of 45 entries. We're also giving away prizes to people who vote. So if you get in and vote on the page, we're going to take all of those names and we're going to give away a prize pool on the 10th of July as well. So we're really encouraging you to get on there, like those structures, and vote for the ones you like. Just like this one here, this flyover roof from Queensland. And if you scroll through the photos, you'll see how well some of our customers, the amazing work that they've done to build these things. Isn't that just unbelievable with those downlights? Flyover insulated roof falling back to the house, supported by 2 timber posts. Now, SmartKits Australia, we supplied everything for that kit with the exception of the timber posts, of course. The client's done that themselves. So we're really very, very proud of what our customers do with the materials that we supply, and we wanted the opportunity to showcase that and to show it off. So this photo competition is a bit of a groundbreaker. No one else in the industry has ever done this before, and we're very proud of it. So SmartKits Australia, and that's on our Facebook timeline right now. So this structure here was photo entry number 32, Michael from Kensington Grove, with his insulated flyover roof sloping back to the house. If you scroll down through the timeline there, you'll see that Michael currently has 40 votes, 5 comments. And if you're one of the people that have entered the competition, the best way for you to crank up those votes to give you the best opportunity to win this competition is to share the post as well. So if you share it around, people will see it and like it and and get up there and vote for you too. So we've seen some incredible structures posted here on our timeline, and we want you to get over there and have a look at it, check it out, and vote. And then obviously tune in to our Facebook live experience that we're going to be kicking off on the 10th of July, where you can tune in and watch who wins, and also see if you've won some of the prizes for the people who voted as well. So have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep you posted and about what's going on with the 10th of July update.